You should really take your shirt off, right? Are we
I'm
all
making
thinking that?
slime.
Later, ladies.
Well, I didn't make slime. Is how to make your slime sticky, as you see in the title. But this is my slime.
Your crew can
I
handle it.
have more.
Oops.
How many eyes does a face have again?
I got it. Oh! I'm not okay.
Okay, I'm back on fabrication. Get me my lint roller.
Whoa, hey, you just said you were going to help me.
Dipper, this sock crisis just bumped
So
up to a
guys,
cold
I don't know if
argyle.
I'm going
The laptop can wait.
when
Mabel, do you seriously think that your random crush of the week is more important than uncovering the mysteries of this town? You're obsessed.
I'm obsessed. Look at you. You look like a vampire, and not the hot kind.
But you said you were going to help me today.
Well, I can help you with tickles.
Okay, fine. You know what? I'll do it on my own. Passwords. Mabel is useless. Oh, man.
Too many failed entries. Initiate data erase in 5 minutes.
No. I'm going to lose everything? I only have one more try?
Well. Someone's looking desperate.
Thought I told you to leave me alone.
I can help you, kid. You just need to hear out my demands.
Okay, I don't think it's getting
What crazy thing do you want anyway? To eat my soul? To rip out my teeth? Are you going to replace my eyes with baby heads or something?
Yeesh, kid, relax. All I want is a puppet.
A puppet? What are you playing at?
Everyone loves puppets, and it looks to me like you've got a surplus.
I don't know, man. Mabel worked really hard on these.
Seems to me one little puppet is a small price to pay to learn all the secrets of the universe. Besides, what's your sister done for you lately? How many times have you sacrificed for her, huh? And when has she ever returned the favor?
Okay.
Tick-tock, kid.
Just one puppet? Fine! So what puppet are you gonna pick anyway?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Ow! What? What? This can't be happening! What did you do to my body?
Sorry, kid, but you're my puppet now.
So I turn my
This
slime
can't be happening.
small.
This can't be happening.
Whoa.
And then you give it to
Man, it has been so long since I've inhabited a body. Woo! Woo! Pain is hilarious. And 2 eyes? This thing's deluxe.
I don't understand. Why are you doing this? I thought we had a deal.
Look, kid, you've been getting way too close to figuring out some major
If you want
answers.
slime,
I've got big plans coming, and I don't need you getting in my way. Destroying that laptop was a cinch. Now I just need to destroy your journal. Race you to the bottom of the stairs.
So,
Hey!
Human soda. I'm gonna drink it like a person. So where do you keep that journal anyway? It's gotta be around here somewhere.
this slime
Boy, these arms are
is
durable.
I've hidden it. Somewhere you'll never find it in a million years.
Hey, Dipper. I borrowed your journal to use as a prop in the show. I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna go before you process the sentence. Okay, bye.
Sure, sounds great, sister. I'll see you at the show.
Wait, no, Mabel, don't listen to him. That's not me. You've got to hear me. No, wait, stop.
Ha! Welcome to the mindscape, kid. Without a vessel to possess, you're basically a ghost.
Oh, hey, Dipper. There you are.
What up, dude?
Zeus, Wendy, help me.
Head to the theater.
Need a ride, Dipper?
Oh, anything for you, Red.
I'm going to stop you, Bill. I'm going to find that journal before you do, and I'm going to stop you.
But how can you stop me if you don't exist?
Stay right where you are. Gravity Falls will be back on Disney Channel.
Jenna, Carson, let's say both of you were nominated for the same category with your best friends. Who would you vote for in that
scenario.
Well, yourself, but you
If you
can't
want
tell
your
anyone.
slime very
Okay,
sticky,
you practice
you
that.
have
That's
to
cute. All right,
add
that's
a
cute. I'm gonna let
gallery.
you guys handle this together for this
So-
next category.
And the nominees for the one best
And if you
artist
want
are
to make
Taylor Swift,
slime
from
and
Betsy's
you
Ed
don't
Sheeran and
have
Selena
any
Gomez,
tie
Bruno
or
Mars,
Megan Trainor,
borax,
and
just put
Shawn Mendes.
toothpaste in it, mix it out, and it's slime. I did that out of nowhere, and it was
Radio
slime.
Disney
I didn't
Music
even know it
Awards
was
is a
gonna
general
slime.
audience program.
I just put glue, and then
Some days it's more than just playtime. Some days it's about saving the world.
But if you
Ziploc
see
is a
my
proud
other
sponsor of Disney
video,
Channel,
how
Marvel
to make
Studios,
slime,
Avengers
wait,
Infinity.